In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable picture-in-picture in VLC Media Player so you can keep your video floating on top while you work on other things. This is super useful if you want to watch a tutorial, follow a lecture, or keep a video visible while browsing, taking notes, or doing multitasking on your computer. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software tips. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open VLC Media Player and play the video you want to watch. Once your video is playing, go up to the top menu and click View. From there, select Always on Top. This makes sure the VLC window stays above your other windows, which is the first step to creating that picture-in-picture style setup. After that, click View again and choose Minimal Interface. This is an important step because it hides the top menu bar and gives you a much cleaner, smaller viewing window. It makes VLC feel a lot more like a compact floating player instead of a full desktop app. Now that the interface is simplified, resize the VLC window to your preferred size. You can make it small for a true picture-in-picture look, or leave it a little larger if you want a better viewing experience. Then just drag the VLC window anywhere on your screen and place it wherever it works best for your workflow. You can keep it in a corner, along the side, or wherever it is least distracting. If you still see playback controls at the bottom, press Ctrl H on your keyboard. That will hide the media playback controls and make the video even cleaner and more minimal. At this point, you've got a floating VLC window that behaves much more like picture-in-picture, letting you keep your video visible while using other apps and the windows. Once you know these steps, it only takes a few seconds to set up anytime you want to watch something in the background. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.